Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a fully charged battery, the correct probe attached, and the device set to a baseline sensitivity. Turn the unit on and let it self-check finish. This calibrates the internal reference so readings are reliable. Once done, choose the detection mode that matches your target: live signals for active bugs, pinhole for hidden microphones, EM for transmitters. And set sensitivity around halfway so you avoid immediate false positives while still picking up weak signals. You now perform a methodical sweep. Move the probe slowly, about 1 to 2 inches per second, over suspect surfaces like outlets, clocks, vents, and seams so the detector samples evenly. Make 2 orthogonal passes, one vertical then one horizontal. This helps catch directional antennas. While sweeping, watch the signal meter and LEDs and listen for tone shifts. Sudden spikes mean proximity to a source. If a reading persists after reorientation, mark the spot and prepare to narrow with closer inspection. You finish by isolating and confirming the source. Move the probe into fingertip range and rotate it to locate the angle of strongest signal. This points to the antenna or transmitter face. Once isolated, verify using a secondary method like a lens inspection or a spectrum scanner to confirm frequency and modulation. If readings persist but you can't locate a device, power cycle nearby electronics and rescan. Persistent signals mean a real transmitter. Document frequency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.